If you are walking through downtown San Francisco right now, look down. You are standing on a massive graveyard of abandoned ships. In 1849, the gold rush hit. Everyone went crazy. Sailors, captains, even the police abandoned their posts and ran to the mines. Within months, the harbor was clogged with nearly 1,000 rotting, empty ships known as the Forest of Masts. San Francisco exploded in size, but had no flat land. So they didn't move the ships, they built on top of them. Ships were turned into hotels, jails, and bars. Eventually, they were sunk and covered with dirt to create new real estate. Today, over 40 ships are still buried beneath the skyscrapers of the financial district. So next time you grab coffee on Market Street, remember, there might be a pirate ship right under your feet. Subscribe to Urban Roots